This is my DONABE. It's a Japanese clay pot, and it's the most unique cookware I own. I'd say outside of Japan, these have a sort of niche fandom. They're really pretty. Also, they range in size and shape. Mine's actually really tiny. Here's a banana for scale. This one actually has a funny origin story. I didn't buy it for myself. I picked it up as a birthday gift for a friend. But when I got home, I thought about the burden of highly specific cookware I myself don't even use, and in the end, I gifted something else. But rather than return it, I decided I'd just keep it for myself. I mean, the whole reason I bought it was because I have a nerdy fascination with Japanese cuisine. So I planned on learning about it and getting really good with it. Like, before I even seasoned it, it kind of became part of my identity. I wanted using this pot to be something I just do. But I proceeded to not use it. I had analysis paralysis. Like, bad. Because, unshockingly, the internet is filled with differing opinions on making rice in a donabe. Rice to water ratios, rice soak times, how to wash the rice, not to mention how to cook it. I procrastinated pretty hard, and so it became another frozen aspiration. Annoyingly, this is a common theme for me. I get interested in a new thing, devise a plan to become an expert, and immediately deviate from said plan. And yeah, it sat and collected dust. Years later, after catching a glimpse of it sadly sitting in the back of my cabinet for the millionth time, I finally started making rice in the donabe. It did take some trial and error, of course. Like, sometimes I mess it up, and one time I really burnt the rice. Thankfully, despite some visible wear, it has held up great since. But yeah, when I nail it, oh man, I can confidently say I prefer my rice coming out of this thing. The texture and flavor are superior to even my beloved Zojirushi rice cooker. Recently, I'm hooked on making onigiri, like I'm doing here. Something about this Japanese pot makes me want to eat very Japanese food. Maybe one day I'll upgrade to a bigger, better model, especially when I'm ready to broaden my donabe cooking. But I'm quite fond of this one, and I'm really glad it's finally getting some good use. So, no more frozen aspirations. If I buy it, I'm gonna use the damn thing. Is there anything collecting dust in your kitchen? Maybe it's time you gave it another go.